Hi everyone, I am your Japanese language teacher, Kemi Sensei. How are you? お元気ですか? Today's lesson is just one phrase. Are you ready? Let's start. I just sneezed. That's all. くしゃみが出ただけです。くしゃみが出ただけです。Time. くしゃみが出ただけです。Good job. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you next time.